Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, Christ salam, welcome to the channel y'all, good day y'all. So you may be wondering why some of the videos have been sort of like late and stuff coming out. Well, there is a really good reason behind it, and I need to show you. It's these two little Pomeranian puppies. I was just feeding them some dinner, and I thought I would do a video so that you can see the new members of the family. So Gilligan's inside at the moment being fed. Millie's out here with the puppies. And there's two of them. This one is Freddy Mercury. And then this one is Bowie, David Bowie, because you can't see now, but you'll see in some of the pictures, he's got a blue eye. So we've had them now for 6 days. And the past 6 days have been, it's always kind of a bit intense when you have new puppies, especially when you've got other dogs and cats. And Ripley and Newt were neutered, spayed in the week on Tuesday. So we got the puppies on Monday, and then the kittens were neutered on Tuesday. So we had them to look after as well. You can see his blue eye there. They are almost 9 weeks old. Millie, you going to finish off the puppy food? And yeah, so far so good. First couple of days are always hard, getting them sort of like being away from their mother and new surroundings, new routines, everything else. But I think we are kind of getting there slowly. So yeah, it's a bit of an intense job for the next couple of weeks while they're still so young, and getting them trained. But they're very good. We've got them now sleeping in a crate upstairs, and they do love to chew everything. So I'm gonna have to move that out of the way because they've only just discovered the washing line cover, and they will start chewing it. Millie, are you finishing off all the puppy food? Are you that hungry? So yeah, they are little scamps. Ugh. Let me give you some footage and some photos and stuff of them of this week. Okay, that's the washing line now taken care of. But of course now there's a hole. So they're going to be inside. No. No. So you create problems when you try and make solutions to other things. Now we have another problem. So anyway, let me sort this out. Right, so we've moved the washing line, we've got a pole. And here's what, no. Little buggers they are, teething. But they're very cute. Oh, hello. You've been a puppy. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see an update of the... No. No. Come on, play with this. It's keeping them entertained all the time. Come on. Come on, Millie, play with you. She's been pretty good with them, to be honest. Gilligan is very, very old, so he can't see them. He can only smell them when they go up to him and stuff. But they're pretty gentle with him. And they're pretty good with Millie as well. Dexter doesn't like them at all, but he'll get used to them. And the other kittens is when Ripley absolutely loves them and she will go near them, but they're a little bit rough with her, so you have to watch. Newt just sits up on high and watches them. She's very cautious of them, but they're all will get along. You probably hear Gilligan in the background barking. Hubby Lex is feeding him. So there we go. This is the first week with the puppies. Not a long video today, so it's a bit intense. Last night was really good because we got them. Oh, yeah, stop fighting now. Let me turn you around. Hang on. There. No. Oh, he's a little bugger. Now. No. You are naughty. No. Or this will pass. He just wants to cause trouble. Do you want to go down? Go on then. So, there we go. That is just a video to tell you what's going on. So, I will keep you up to date on Instagram and on here in a couple of weeks. But, yeah, we'll see how they grow. They've grown quite a lot in just having them in 6 days. So, I will do a weekly update video with them for you. I do have a vac video coming out of testing the Hoover Jr. that I've done. But these are my kind of full-time job at the minute. So, I will keep you posted. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.